Hi folks, how we all doing? Today we are going up Glen Fruin. So Glen Fruin, what is that famous for? It is famous for a clan battle between the McGregors and the Colquhouns. I think the Colquhouns won, but I'm not sure, that might be wrong. And there should be a commemorative stone somewhere along this road with regards to the battle. Starting to open up a bit now. Bit steep that. There's a wee farmhouse, aye, wee farmhouse. Look at that, it's somebody's house. It amazes me, all these abandoned houses. They could be quite nice. Got my RST Paragon 6 heated gloves on today and they are superb. Just got them on the medium setting. It's 4 degrees and they are absolutely fine. Hands are not too hot, they're not cold at all, they're just perfect. Quite a nice glen, Glen Fruin. It's quite an open glen. Obviously there's farm activity in between both sides of the hills. Oh, that's a nice open flat bit. Pity I've not got a drone. Do a nice follow shot there. Road's actually not too bad either, it's pretty good considering. See if we can get a couple of pictures. This should be the commemorative stone. Right, let's get a look at this. As I said, there was a clan fight up here between the McGregors and the Colquhouns. Not sure what it was about, but anyway. In Scotland there's clan battles everywhere. There we go. Near this spot, the Battle of Glen Fruin was fought between Clan Colquhoun and Clan Gregor, which is McGregor, on the 9th of February 1603. The battle site. Look at the axes. Imagine getting hit with one of them. It's going to sting. Look at that for a view. Stunning. That's the Ariker Alps. Not quite as good as the Swiss Alps, but you know what I mean. So that's the end of the glen then. We're actually higher up than I thought we were. Slippy, slippy. Oh, imagine getting off it, giraffe. Glad I didn't decide to come up this way. Well, that's us back down at the main road. Hope you enjoyed that little trip through Glen Fruin. And I'll call it a day there, and I shall speak to you all later. Cheerio.